Hi, it's Lyntrell here, right outside the Cargill Teaching Kitchen, here to talk to you about the aquaponics. Let's go. So aquaponics is essentially finding ways to put the plants to work. So aqua means water and ponics means to put to work. So the fish are being put to work. So here we have some coleus here. So these are some of the plants that are growing in the aquaponics. You have your coleus, a few purple hearts. You can also grow herbs and other fruits and vegetables as well. Some of the benefits of using an aquaponics system is, of course, we live in Minnesota here. And of course, being in Minnesota, there is a lack of life during the winter time. And so because of that, you can grow this at home. You can have an entire growing system at home and finding ways to have life at home by having these plants and other living things into this system. How do the fish help? So essentially the fish is using the waste in order to help the plants grow. So the fish waste is helping the plants thrive. The water is being circulated throughout this entire system. So this cycle of life is how these plants are thriving. So if you live in a city where you don't have garden space, this would be super helpful because this is contained into one simple space. So one of the cool things about an aquaponics system is the propagation. So of course you can have your plants already, just take a snippet off, just like this, which is essentially called propagation. You break this off, you can actually grow the root. So if you insert it back into this aquaponics system or any form of water actually, you can actually grow a root and then you can essentially put it in dirt when springtime comes and there you have your plants instead of going out and purchasing plants. So the plants and the fish are basically like best friends, right? They're both out here helping each other. In order for the plants to thrive, you need to fish, and in order for the fish to exist, you need the plants. These plants we have here are coleus, and coleus I love. I mean, you see how colorful they are. They're also really good for like home plants or just to put in your garden outdoor at home. So these plants here are called spiderworts, and these are also easy to propagate, which is why we have those here in the aquaponics system. What you see shining down on the plants are called grow lights. These grow lights are necessary in order to help the plants thrive. Just think of them as photosynthesis. When you're outdoor, the sun is giving the plants life, and here, these grow lights are actually giving life to the plants. So this aquaponics system is a great teaching tool to teach the kids about the ecosystem and how to grow things, especially during the winter time whenever we're lacking so much life in Minnesota. So there you have it, our aquaponics system here outside the Cargill Teaching Kitchen. See you next time. Bye.